Actually, I do a kind of job which involves a lot of traveling. I work in a remote area. There is a factory which is around 40 kilometers here. There is a company bus which gives me a pick and drop. The problem is that 1 hour of drive is really pain in the ass for me because I'm kind of an introvert person. I don't like to intermingle with people a lot. In my bus, there are people which unfortunately are like, pulling each other's leg and pushing each other, whatever. Because I'm kind of a person, give me a hand free, give me a phone, and you can forget about me for like hours. Long story short, thing is that that was really a hard time for me traveling 1 hour. I decided to do something different because I have this hand free, an iPhone, but this is enough. People don't hesitate to come to me, pull my earplug and say, hey, let's play games, let's play cards. I decided to buy a big ass headphones that give kind of a vibe that do not disturb me and leave me fucking alone, that take you away from that place and you just get lost into it. After going through reviews, I decided I'm gonna buy a Beats headphone. Let's do it. Here is the cutter. Gotta be extra careful because I wish you could hear my heartbeat. Okay, there is another box inside it. And again, there is my name printed on it. Here we go. It's not Beats. It says Enoch Music Bisus. It's kind of, it seems like a Chinese company. Is it, it's a sub-company of Beats or what? Okay, this is not going good, man. This is not going good. Let's do it. Okay, come on. I can't wait to open it up. Okay, there are some warranty cards or something, but it's in Chinese. Can't read it out. Okay. It's empty. And this hand free is inside this.
I just ordered online from this online retailer these headphones. They're special gaming headphones. They're supposed to be really good for gaming. You can plug them straight into your computer. It's pretty cool, and they're really lightweight. I'm like really shocked at how lightweight these are. Let's just open them and take a peek at this box. Check it out. It's got all kinds of bubble wrap in here. Okay. Oh, a piece of funky stuff. All right, let's see what else is in here. Ooh. Wait a minute, this is really weird. Okay. There's this gaming cord in here. But these are the headphones? I don't get it. I don't understand. I do not understand.
I am super excited because I went on eBay and I found this guy who was going to sell this very cheap, his AirPod for a very cheap rate. Put it for about $55. Before then, I got the AirPod and it arrived today. The box is here. Sealed. This is our AirPod. This is my AirPod. Well, this is the AirPod. It looks quite different. Let me see what else we have here though. Oh, right, the charger looks quite different. This is the AirPod is supposed to have the iPhone charger, right? I don't know. Look, this looks like a Samsung charger. Well, that's by the way though. This looks quite thick. So, what's in the heavens? This. Oh wow. Oh wow. I can't hear nothing. Is it just me or does this feel Jesus Christ? It sounds like Chinese. Connect. Well, This is so depressing and at the same time because I feel like I've been scammed. Oh wow, here is the manual. Oh. Okay, so it says V4.2 whatever, and Chinese and Chinese and Chinese.
So today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Beats Solo Wireless 3s. Mine is actually asphalt grey. This is a limited edition collection. It was only available I think for 3 or 4 weeks in the UK here. They come with 40 hours of battery, wireless Bluetooth of course. 5-minute charge will give you 3 hours of play. This is compatible with I think iPod, iPhone, iPad. This is part of the neighborhood collection. So like I said, it was, let's get back to the unboxing. As you can see here, the Beats box. This comes a bit damaged. I don't know if it's, oh no it's not. And then yeah, to the opening. It comes with change the way you, guys, I don't think this is meant to, how it's meant to come. I got it wrapped in cling film. Let me put this to the side in the box here. You take this out. Oh, you do get the original Beats pack. Only the real Beats products have the Beats sticker, like the fake Chinese one will have the Apple logo or some type sort of sticker. Safety box, and just in general, because Apple bought Beats, they only give it to thing, but they also mention it how you can connect it to other devices. But the crazy story is, I don't think these are Beats at all. These are not Beats. So let me open them up for you and show it to you guys. These are called JPod Dream, sorry. They're quite plasticky.
Ay, mi caja, mi solicitud, mis audífonos. Hay una tarjeta, espero disfrute lo solicitado. A ver. Mi caja, mis recibos, ¿cierto? Para escuchar bien. Diosa. Darme aquí con esto. Seguida. Ajá. Unas toallitas para limpiar los audífonos. Instrucciones, manual. Se ve fino. La caja. Se ve espectacular. ¿Qué es esto? 2 papas. O sea, me estafaron 2 papas.
Today I have for you another hopefully amazing unboxing video of guess what? Headphones. Now you guys don't know, but I've been in a huge need of headphones. I struggle to like find ones with a good enough mic. They all complain, they usually even mute me when we play together because my mic is just so god awful. And also only one of my headphones work. I don't know why, but it just stopped working. So I'm really praying on some good ass headphones. So I had to look into some sites to find proper headphones that have a great mic and actually good like audio, so that I can also hear very well, because I like playing a lot of like FPS games and I gotta know the location of my enemies just by listening to them, you know. And I ended up, guess what? Finding some Razer headphones. I managed to find them in a site that was called Razer Blades. I know that sounds weird and that doesn't sound that legit for Razer equipment. Like if you want to buy Razer equipment, just buy it from the site or like from Amazon or something. Now having Razer in the name gave me no doubt whether or not this is gonna be like fake or anything, because they have Razer in the name, right? That's trademarked. So I bought it, and surprisingly enough, it came in a green box. Now, of course, it's Puma shoes. I am not dumb. Like, I know that's not the Razer box, but it's a green box, and green is the color of Razer in a way. So, you know, that kind of helped like hype me up when I saw it in the mail today. Okay, so the box is kind of open. There's no like defense. Then after that, all right. Hopefully it's headphones, dude. Come on. Oh my god, it's headphones. It's actually headphones. There's no like, but it's not the ones that I ordered. What the hell? Hold on, that's not the ones that I ordered. That's HyperX headphones. That's not Razer headphones. Whoa, what the? What? You seeing this? Wait, you seeing this? What? Why is this like if a dog bite it off? What? The hell is this? Measuring tape? Actually, I'm gonna plug it in my PC and I'm gonna try them out now. What? I can't hear anything. Maybe the audio is like low. I can't hear anything. I am playing music, but I can't hear anything.
Yes! Finally you are here!
I am an iPhone user. I'm using iPhone for like 2 to 3 years. Samsung or any other Android phone, it gets slow with time. So whenever you add pictures and data, especially applications, it gets slow. Finally, I got the phone, the Samsung phone especially, because Samsung I think is the best brand among all the Android phones. So I finally switched to Samsung. I mean, it is offering 8K video. Can you imagine? Even the DSLR camera I'm using right now is don't have even 4K video. The packing doesn't look very good, I guess. Screwdriver screws me. Don't want to hurt my phone. Yeah, baby. Let's get into it. Okay. So there are some things. This is okay. This is not a phone. I mean, this is not a phone. This is headphones. This is not what I ordered. What the fuck? ये क्या होगा बेंचो?